Video I'm going to show you how we can find the VLSM overlap subnet. So here we have a problem in these subnets. We need to define which subnet are overlapping. So first step would be to compute the network ID and the broadcast ID. So let's compute it. So the first subnet is of a /30 range. So I assume you have already done your subnetting. So /30 range means we have 4 valid IP. Out of which one will be our network ID. And the last IP would be our broadcast ID. And there will be only 2 valid IP that we can assign to host or your router or switch. Next is 28 series 28/IP. So in this we have 16 valid IP. And same one will be network ID, and last one will be broadcast ID, and there will be 14 valid IPs. So /29 subnet has 8 valid IPs. Same first one will be network ID, and the last will be your broadcast ID, and we have 6 valid IPs we can assign to host. Already we have defined the /30. So let's compute our network ID. As you can see that we have 192.168.1.253. So to compute, you need to you can use calculator or you can use binary math. So I will show you with the help of calculator. So our first IP is 0 always, and the range is 0 plus 33 will be the broadcast ID in the case of /30, because of we have 2 valid IPs. So let's add 4 to the subnet because we have 4 valid IPs. So continue adding this until you reach to 253. The IP last is the broadcast ID. So 255 is the broadcast IP for this range. If you minus 251 was the last IP. So our range should be 192.168.1.252, 192.168.1.255. 253 and 254 we can assign. So next is /28 series. In this series we have 16 range. So 0 plus 15 will be the first IP. Next you continue at 16 until to reach to 113. So we have 127 and it's triple one. So triple one was the last broadcast ID. So range should be 192.168.1.112, 192.168.1.127. So next series is of /29. Let's compute it. In /29 we have 8 IP. So 0 plus 7. Then continue at it to 8. Until to reach 255, 245 range. So 247 we have reached, just -8 to 239 is the last broadcast IP. Our valid IPs are 192.168.1.240 to 192.168.1.247. So last we have already computed. So 192.168.124 to 192.168.1.127. 192.168.120 to 192.168.1.123. So this is our network ID and broadcast IPs. So now what we have to do, we have to numerically sort it the lowest ID. So lowest is first is 112 according to the last octet. Then we have 120. Then we have 124. Then we have 240. Last is 252. So as you can see clearly from the results we have obtained after computing the network ID and arranging the subnet in numerical order. The first series is 112 to 127. Completely overlaps with 120, 123, and 124 to 127. So these three subnets are invalid. So the valid subnets are these two subnets. So the answer to your problem is these two subnets. These two subnets are only valid, rest are invalid. So I hope I have solved this query. Thanks for watching.